What cricket player statistics truly matter for analysis? Imagine trying to understand how well a cricket player performs just by watching highlights. It's tricky, right? That's where statistics come in. They give us a clear picture of what players really do on the field. But not all stats are equally important. So, which ones tell us the most about a player's game and help with strategy? First up is the batting average. This is calculated by dividing the total runs scored by the number of times a player gets out. A higher batting average means the player is consistent and reliable. For example, in Test cricket, a batting average above 50 is considered excellent. In limited overs formats like one-day internationals or 2020 matches, averages in the 40s still show strong performance. Next is the strike rate. This tells us how quickly a batsman scores runs, calculated as runs per 100 balls faced. In shorter formats, a high strike rate is vital because it helps chase or set competitive totals. In Test matches, strike rate is less critical but still useful to see how well a player can accelerate scoring when needed. Total runs scored is another key stat. It shows how much a player has contributed overall. While it doesn't tell us everything about efficiency, a high run total indicates longevity and consistent performance over time. Players with many runs are often seen as dependable. Centuries and half-centuries are milestones that show a player's ability to reach big scores. In Test cricket, centuries are highly valued because they demonstrate the ability to play long, impactful innings. In limited overs games, half-centuries are more common but still important for building team totals. Balls faced is a simple but important stat. It helps us understand how long a player stays at the crease and how they build their innings. It also helps strategize, especially in formats where time is limited. For bowlers, the most important stat is the bowling average. This is calculated by dividing runs conceded by wickets taken. A lower bowling average means the bowler is more effective at dismissing batsmen without giving away many runs. The strike rate for bowlers shows how many balls they need to take a wicket. A lower strike rate indicates a bowler can take wickets quickly, which is very valuable in tight situations. Economy rate measures how many runs a bowler concedes per over. In limited overs cricket, a low economy rate is highly prized, especially during the final overs when teams try to restrict scoring. Wickets taken is a straightforward measure of a bowler's impact. More wickets generally mean a more influential bowler who can change the course of a game. All-rounders are players who contribute both with bat and ball. For them, it's important to look at both batting and bowling stats. Additional metrics like runs per match and wickets per match help see their overall influence on the game. Coaches and analysts use these stats to pick players, plan strategies, and develop skills. For example, a team might choose a batsman with a high strike rate for a 2020 game or a bowler with a low economy rate for a crucial one-day international. In summary, the most useful cricket player stats are batting average, strike rate, total runs, centuries, half-centuries, balls faced, bowling average, wickets taken, economy rate, and strike rate for bowlers. These numbers give a clear, factual way to see how players perform and help teams make smart decisions.